What can we expect from this IPO then in terms of investor demand?
So, as you mentioned, it's already got quite a very good list, in fact, of cornerstone investors. It's 10 of them, and they include some really high-profile names like Capital, the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Temasek, GIC, BlackRock. So this already speaks to the fact that there's a lot of investor demand for this name. Investors generally have been piling into IPOs, and especially tech and internet IPOs. And Kuaishou has been growing really fast, so it's likely to prove pretty popular. It's also beating its larger rival ByteDance in going public. So this is the first sort of chance that investors will get to buy into short video, one of the pioneers of short video in any case.
Yeah, it's one of these apps that people are glued to on the subway here. What kind of valuation are they hoping to get with this IPO?
At the top end of the price range, they're looking at a valuation of almost $61 billion US dollars. So that's a lot higher than their last valuation last year, which was $28.6 billion, according to PitchBook. Even at the lower end, it's about $55.6 billion. So it's a pretty big boost. It's still less than ByteDance, which was last said to be seeking a valuation of $180 billion. But it's going to be a significant company. It's a higher valuation than some of its listed peers, like Bilibili, which was last trading with a market cap of $46 billion or so. So it's still more. It's clearly seeking more than the $50 billion valuation that it was looking at, that it was reported to be looking at a few months ago.
Okay, Julia, what do we expect them to use the money for?
They said they want to use the money to invest in new technology and also for mergers and acquisitions. So we expect they're going to add to their war chest to keep on competing against ByteDance. It's a pretty competitive space. There's lots of Chinese tech companies trying to get into short video. And they need to keep building their user base, given that they are still smaller than ByteDance's Douyin. So that's generally it's probably going to be used for expansion and to essentially keep on building more users.